Stop by and take a look at the 2017 ILX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, power sunroof. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather trim seats, heated seats, Bluetooth, electronic messaging assistance with read function, Sirius, satellite radio, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura.